Do you want to turn off subtitles on Instagram Reels? You can disable auto caption on Insta Reels with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To turn off subtitles on Instagram Reels, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap on the plus icon at the bottom. Now, select Reel from the options. Record a new video or choose an existing video from your gallery to upload. Once the video is added, edit the video by adding stickers, text, or emojis. Once the video is ready, tap on the next button. Now, scroll down and tap on More Options. A new screen will appear with different options. From here, turn off the toggle switch button next to Enable Closed Captions. Once disabled, go back, add a caption, and then tap on Share to post your reel without subtitles.